eat kakaka.
Who are eating?
Omelette.
What are food?
But, omelette and kalbasa. And life.
No. Ulam namin guys is yung sausage na malaki, yung kalbaskang tinatawag nila, tsaka
Thank you.
thank you for cooking. Naluan namin ng egg. Ito yung ulam namin. Gusto to ni Valera. Valera rice eat this food. At ginasa ko yung rice. Makaka na naman yung ano ko, ilong ko. Let's eat guys. Let's eat guys. Yummy. Yummy.
Yummy, yummy.
Dito na ako kumain guys kasi nga hindi ako makauwi doon sa bahay at kami lang dito. Yung mama niya at papa niya nasa Moscow.
Yes, I know something.
Mama and papa go Moscow, right?
Yes. Here.
And
then,
how many days there?
No.
How many days there? How many days? No, only 3 days. Bayan, ano po?
Just 3.
3 days, ha?
Yes, 3 days.
3 days.
Like that.
Natake ako ng ano ko, sinus.
That.
Ang hirap guys pagka natake ko ng sinus kasi parang lagi siyang nagtukubig. Nakaka-stress, makatay sa ilong. Yan ang isa sa problema ko. Yummy. Yummy, yummy.
Yummy.
Yummy. Cheers. Cheers. Cheers, Victor. Like that. You take that, no?
Okay.
Cheers. Balera, cheers. Water. What you say? What do you
Nana, please, I want to water.
Okay. Whoa, Balera, very. Many eat.
No laptop.
You have the egg and kalbaska sausage. You want rice? Finish. Sure. Issue. You like this one now? Like this one, Balera, right?
Yes.
Yung lola niya guys, saka yung lolo niya, wala din kasi kaya hindi ako makauwi sa bahay. Pwede ba kami pumunta doon, magtambay doon guys, pero dito na lang. Doon sila matulog 2 days. Atik ako.
Excuse me.
Excuse me. Excuse me, Victor.
Excuse me, Balera.
Your rice, ha?
Okay.
Finish your rice.
Sarap
Sarap yung rice, guys. Masarapan sila kasi nga. Sinanggan ko, nalagyan ko ng oyster sauce. Balero, after eating, You really like that? Mamayang hapon, magprito na lang ako ng, you want chicken? Fried chicken.
Yes.
Okay. Later. Fried chicken. Natakot ako ng sinus ko. Oh, very full.
Big stomach.
Victor, finish your rice.
Let me go.
Okay. You sit down there.
Finish.
Okay, you
Faster. No.
Ang dami-dami ko nang sinandok sa kanila.
Sorry.
Mamaya naman. Victor, dapat finish your rice.
Okay.
And finish your ligo. Bye. Sa Victor nga, alas hindi niya maubos. Sa Balera, ano pa siya? Mahirit pa siya ng... Mahirit pa siya. Gusto pa nga. Hindi ko, umaya na lang kasi dami na rin.
Bye-bye.
Bye-bye ha. Nakit bye-bye.
Lugar lepas.
Dah. Lugar sudah. Victor finish.
Mana?
Finish it. Sleep? Want to sleep?
No.
What are you doing? You want to sleep?
Play up. Play outside. Play outside. Play outside. Play outside.
Finish.
Play outside.
Yummy.
Yeah. Bravo, bravo. Bravo.
Ballerina Victorina.
Um,
Bye bye guys. Thank you for watching.
Nana.
Like this. Bye bye guys. Thank you for
Bye bye.
watching.
Then no, 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 no.
You say thank you for watching.
No. Bye bye.
Bye bye. Thank you for watching.
No, 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 no.